Hello, my name is Birgit Palma and I'm an artist specialized in type illustration. I've worked for clients such as Adobe, Samsung, Adidas, Wired Magazine and Eurocovo, amongst many others. In the meantime, I continue working on a wide variety of personal projects. While designing, I feel like a child on a playground. Imagine a really good one, with interesting elements to climb on, with fantastic rides, swings and colors everywhere. This is what type illustration means to me. Having fun, merging illustration and modular type, playing with both layers of information. I create bold, colorful artworks, often with an optical illusion, which invites the viewer to take a second look. I like to find inspiration in the cities I travel to, opening up and absorbing everything. In this Domestika course, you learn to illustrate through modular type in a simple but playful way. You will use images in order to add depth and meaning into letters. You will learn to enhance your creativity by adding volume to flat vector graphics. As your final project, you will create a type illustration with the city of your choice, using your own visual language. To do this, we'll first start to learn the basic design principles which we need to know. I will show you what is a modular type, how to prepare your workspace in Illustrator, and how to use shortcuts. The next step will be how to introduce a sketch into Illustrator, how to separate layers and how to lock them. Once we have this, we start the research on our city, turning the research into original ideas which define the essence and emotion. At this point, we're going to decide on the type style of the city. We are going to create a modular grid and we'll be working with color, balance and composition. Next thing we'll do is transforming our inspiration, going back to the rough ideas. We'll start to create elements, converting those ideas into graphic material. After that, we're going to merge type and illustration, dressing it up and paying attention to details. At this point, we're going to have the illustration ready and I'll give you some final recommendations. Finally, I'll show you what you can do in future after finishing your illustrated type. By the end of this course, you will learn how to add attributes and emotion onto a word that by itself is a cohesive illustration. For this course, you will need Photoshop and Illustrator installed on your computer and some basic graphic design skills. Join me on this round trip from typography to illustration.